Welcome to Gelous nail art tutorials. Today we are going to be doing a Christmas nail art look using some snowflake stickers with a shimmery ombre finish. After completing your nail prep, apply a thin coat of pink rubber base coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of pink builder gel and cap the free edge. This is called a slip layer. You don't want to cure this step. Apply a small bead of builder gel and push it towards the cuticle area, making sure it does not touch the skin. Gently move the builder gel from left to right, working up the nail, then cap the free edge. Using your thin nail art brush, pull some builder gel up the nail as this will help even out the application. Alternatively, you can do 1 to 2 thin coats, curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. If your builder gel has bulked the free edge, gently file your nails back to shape. Apply nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Apply spilt milk to the bottom half of your nail. Apply pearlescent splash to the top half of your nail and cap the free edge. Using your ombre brush, very lightly brush pearlescent down into spilt milk, blending the two together. Brush your polish up the nail if needed to create an ombre look. You can repeat this step if needed after curing. Cure for 60 seconds. Using Ice Clean, paint over your ombre to add some sparkle. Cure for 30 seconds. Using your Gelous nail art tweezers, carefully pull away a snowflake from the Sleigh Bells ring nail sticker pack, making sure you are happy with the placement before applying. Using your silicone tool, gently rub into place. Apply a thin coat of rubber top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize. Thanks for watching!